All right, hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. Super excited to show you this beautiful Aston Martin DBX. It's a world first remote start on an Aston Martin DBX. So what you do is you hit the unlock button twice. So we're gonna hit it twice, 1, 2. Give it a second, the car will receive the command. Ta-da! Remote starts. We did a previous car for him, which was a Porsche, which he was having a lot of trouble finding anybody to do that car. And the same with this. Technically, it isn't supported, but with the help of one of our good partners, we had a remote starter made for the vehicle. So this is the first of its kind. As far as we know, it is the first DBX on the planet with a remote start system. You know, there's a lot of cars out there, especially on the European side, that people say are impossible or undoable. And we're able to do them, either multiple options as far as remote starts units, or we can have it engineered, like in this case. In this case, we had to take them the vehicle. They did a bunch of testing, engineered, wrote code, made some plugs and some harnesses, and it's literally built for this car, and it is the first one. The nice thing is that it also has drone. So with the phone application, you're able to lock it, unlock it, and remote start it, all via an app or the factory key fob. It's a gorgeous car. I mean, look at it. It's satin black with all the shiny black trim. The interior is gorgeous. It's just one of those, the client wants a remote starter. We live in Chicago. It gets really, really cold here. And why freeze if you don't have to, right? If you don't have to, you press a button, car starts up. It's great. So if you have a vehicle and everybody's told you it's undoable, reach out to us and let us know. We can take a look and see if either there is a solution that maybe they're not comfortable with or they don't know about, or in some cases, like in this one, we can have a unit made for it. Basically engineer something for the vehicle. Right. So the other thing we did is, this is an upgrade from his previous one. So on his previous one, we did the starter and the drone application. At the time, there wasn't a Drone XE. The Drone XE is the remote dash cam. So think of it as a Ring doorbell. Basically, it's a Ring doorbell for your car. It's super cool because not only does it give you protection as far as being able to lock, unlock, and track the vehicle, but now you can also remote in. So basically from your application, from a desktop, from a tablet or any kind of device that you can access the internet, you can view it real time. So you can view what's going on with the dash cam. It also protects you if you have an accident and somebody jumps in front of you or somebody hits you, it's your fault, my fault, whatever. You have it on video and you can show that it was not your fault.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.